This video demonstrates how to assemble Innovation Cabinetry's base Lazy Susan cabinet. Before you begin, ensure you have all the pieces shown here. To begin, fit the tongue of the short bridge beam into the notch of the long bridge beam to join them flush. Fix the two pieces together with a drill and drywall screws, then set aside. Next, position the door panel with the hinge holes on your workstation so the hinge holes are closest to you. Fit the hinges in place, then secure with the drill and prepackaged screws. Stand the door panel upright so it is supported by the hinges and the door face points away from you. Insert the plunge hole hinges into their slots on the door panel's inside edge, then secure in place with a drill and prepackaged screws. With the first door panel still upright, fit the other door panel onto the exposed end of the soft close hinges. Then, position the joined door panels in a triangle on your workstation and secure the newest door panel and hinges with a drill and prepackaged screws. Ensure the door panels are aligned and then lay them face down on your workstation, the panel with the visible hinge hardware closest to you. Place an adhesive door pad in each corner of the farthest door panel, then set the assembled bifold door aside. Place one of the slotted sides on your workstation, slotted edge face up and closest to you. Now take the wooden corner wedges and insert the available screws into the pre-drilled holes, the silver screws in the middle and the black screws on the outside, then set the wedges aside. Use the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes to attach the bottom panel to the far right end of the slotted side, the notched corner positioned away from you and to the bottom, and the slots on both pieces aligned. Reposition the fixed slotted side and the bottom on your workstation so the slotted edges are at the top and secure where the two pieces meet, first with a nail gun, then with a drill and drywall screws. Lay the slotted side flat on your workstation so the bottom stands straight up, and then position the other slotted side panel behind the one already placed, its slotted edge furthest from you. Angle the bottom's available back side edge so the pre-placed wooden pegs fit into the new slotted side's pre-drilled holes and the slots on the bottom and this side align. Secure where this side and the bottom meet with a drill and drywall screws. Retrieve the backing and use both side slots to slide it into place and push it flush into the bottom's slot. To secure, tap gently into place with a rubber mallet. Now, place one corner wedge horizontally at the top where one side and the backing meet, about 2 inches from the top edge of these pieces. Use a drill to secure the previously placed screws, then repeat this process with the other corner wedge to reinforce where the other slotted side and backing meet. Next, take one of the non-slotted side panels and fit it to the bottom and slotted side with the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes. Secure where this non-slotted side meets the already placed pieces with a nail gun. Then, retrieve the final non-slotted cabinet side and repeat this process on the opposite side of the base unit. Choose one side of the unit where the slotted and non-slotted side panels meet and position a corner bracket in their upper corner about 2 inches from the top edge of the panels and secure in place with a drill and prepackaged screws. Use this same process on the opposite cabinet side to reinforce where the other two side panels meet. Retrieve the assembled long and short bridge beams and position them in the cabinet so the longest beam joins the top of the front and back side panels opposite one another, and the short bridge beam fits to the top of the other front side panel. Secure where the bridge beam meets the sides, first with a nail gun, then with a drill and drywall screws. reposition the assembled unit on your workstation so it lies flat on one of the front-facing sides, the newly created front opening positioned at the bottom. Retrieve the assembled bifold doors and align the door panel with the visible hinge hardware next to the side positioned flat on your workstation. Set the hinges flush with the side and secure, following the pre-drilled pilot holes and using a drill and prepackaged screws. Ensure the doors close flush and aligned with the rest of the unit, then stand the unit on end. Finally, place the magnetic door catch. First, position the catch's magnetic strip on the bridge beam in the cabinet, just inside where it meets the outermost bifold door panel. Next, place the magnet catch in the upper left-hand corner of the outermost bifold door panel, roughly 2 inches from the side and top edges. Secure in place with the drill and prepackaged screws, then ensure the catch meets flush with the inside magnet strip. Congratulations! Your Innovation Cabinetry Base Lazy Susan cabinet is ready to install.